Hey everyone, welcome to Error Genie, your go-to channel for easy troubleshooting. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the failed to connect to the server error in Marvel Rivals on PC. Follow along and let's get you back in the game. Step 1. Restart your PC. Restarting can often solve minor connectivity issues. Save your work, restart your computer, and try launching the game again. If the problem persists, proceed to the next steps. Step 2. Add Marvel Rivals to the Windows Firewall exception list. Open the Windows search bar, type Control Panel, and press Enter. Go to System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. You might need admin permissions. Click Allow another app, then Browse. Navigate to the folder where Marvel Rivals is installed. Select the games.exe file and click Add. Repeat the process for the folder. Navigate to Marvel Rivals, then Binaries, then Win64. Add the relevant .x file. Once added, restart the game and check if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Run Steam as administrator. Close Steam completely. Right-click the taskbar, select Task Manager, find Steam, right-click it, and choose End Task. Open the Windows search bar, type Steam, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. Launch Marvel Rivals and see if the error persists. Step 4. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. Navigate to the Installed Files tab and click Verify integrity of game files. Once the process completes, try launching the game again. Step 5. Sync your date, time, and region settings. Open Settings, then Time and Language, then Date and Time. Enable Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Scroll down and click Sync Now. Check the region under Language and Region and ensure it matches your location. Relaunch the game. Step 6. Reset your network power cycle. Shut down your computer. Unplug the power cable from your PC and turn off your Wi-Fi router. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Restart your router, plug in your PC, and turn it on. Test the game again. Step 7. Use Command Prompt to reset network settings. Open the Windows search bar, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Run these commands one at a time. You can find them in the description. ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, ipconfig/flushdns, netchint IP reset, netch winsock reset, restart your computer and launch the game. Step 8. Switch to Google DNS, open Control Panel, then Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Click your current network, e.g., Wi-Fi, and select Properties. Highlight Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and input. Preferred 8.8.8.8, alternate 8.8.4.4. Check Validate Settings upon exit and click OK. Relaunch the game. Step 9. Update Windows and your game open settings. Then Windows Update and check for updates. Install any pending updates and restart your PC. Ensure your game is updated to the latest version via Steam. And that's it. One of these steps should resolve the failed to connect to the server error in Marvel Rivals. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thanks for watching Error Genie, and happy gaming!